What's Jack doing? Jack's decided this new decor with the indoor furniture is pretty good. It's even camouflaged. Come on, Maddie, you want to go out the front? Do you see Jack? You didn't see him. Oh, bow to Jack. Let's just continue on our way. Come on, we were going outside. Come on. No, forget that. That was my fault. Bad mom. Mom needs to leave things well enough alone. Oh, our patio furniture piled up. You wanted to go out. Hurry up. We got about 2 hours before it gets really windy. It's not raining right now. Come on. It's not raining. So far our gusts are about 14 miles. Fortunately, we could be getting sustained winds of about 80 going up to 110. But fortunately, we'll probably only see Tampa Bay with about a category 2. Sadly, Northport, Venice, Sarasota may see a landfall with a category 5. All right, come on, Missy, let's go. You coming out? She gets sidetracked so easily. Come on, Maddie. It's not raining. Hurry. Come on. Oh, Mom, this is all different here. All right. Have to do a little sniffing. I'd be a good sniffer dog.